Model, 1990 Renault Hymer Camper Motorhome ODEAL project starts drives fine. Body, silver, white, motorhome. Mileage, 66,858. Engine, 1,995 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Brakes just about work, so will need some kind of repair. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear camping area is in average condition but still usable. Features, fully fitted camper, tow bar. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.